everyone! Today we'll be reviewing the national flag of Iran. The review will be done using the 5 basic principles of flag design as outlined in the book Good Flag, Bad Flag, written by Ted Kaye and published by the North American Vexillological Association. Here is a quick rundown of the 5 principles. We will review the flag under each principle and give a score out of 10 for each. At the end, we will calculate the average score of the 5 principles, which will give us the overall final score for the flag. Let's begin. The flag consists of a horizontal tricolor of green, white, and red. The flag is charged at the center with the emblem of Iran, which is red in color. The green and red stripes contain white stylized Kufic script which says, "God is the greatest." This is written 11 times on each stripe, 22 in total. The emblem along with the writing make this flag complicated and very difficult to draw accurately from memory. For this principle, the flag scores 0 out of 10. The flag was adopted in 1980, a year after the Islamic Revolution. It replaced the previous flag, which was a plain tricolor of green, white, and red. The symbolism of the stripes is not officially defined, and a number of theories exist. The green is said to represent growth, unity, the country's vegetation, the vitality of the Persian language, as well as Islam. White is said to represent peace, freedom, and friendship. The red is said to represent courage, martyrdom, bravery, love, fire, and sophistication. The emblem is highly stylized and uses Persian and Arabic script. It depicts 4 crescents as well as a sword at the center. These 5 elements represent the 5 principles of Islam. The crescent is a traditional symbol of Islam, and the sword represents power and solidarity. Above the sword is a shada, which is used in Arabic to double a letter. The emblem also forms a geometrically symmetric form of the word Allah. It also forms overlapping parts of the phrase, "There is no God except Allah." The emblem also forms the shape of a tulip, which recalls an old legend in Iran that if a soldier dies fighting for his country, a tulip grows on his grave. Overall, the emblem has great symbolism and the design is very clever and well thought out, even though in our view, it's a little too complicated for flag use. The stylized Kufic script on the stripes, which says "God is the greatest," is written 22 times because the date of the Islamic Revolution was Bahman 22, 1357, Bahman being one of the months of the Iranian calendar. In the Gregorian calendar, this date was February 11, 1979. The emblem and the writing both form good symbolism, but the flag loses some marks due to the confusion and lack of clarity over the meaning of the stripes. For this principle, the flag scores 7 out of 10. The flag has 3 colors. Those are green, white, and red. All 3 colors are part of the standard set. Regarding contrast, the white stripe separates the darker green and red stripes. Also, the red emblem has good contrast with the white stripe, while the white writing has good contrast with the green and red stripes. In other words, the flag has good contrast throughout. Overall for color, the flag scores 10 out of 10. The flag depicts the country's emblem as well as lettering. For this principle, the flag gets 0 out of 10. The flag is distinctive. The closest national flag to Iran's in overall looks is Equatorial Guinea. Both flags have horizontal stripes of green, white, and red, and both have charges at the center. However, these charges are very different, and the blue triangle on Equatorial Guinea's flag makes these two pretty easy to tell apart. For this principle, the flag scores 10 out of 10. So now we reviewed the flag on each of the 5 principles. We're going to add the scores and divide by 5 to get the average. So, for the national flag of Iran, we get a final score of 5.4 out of 10.